Welcome back to 6404. Today we're making crazy cake. Let's start with the dry ingredients. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius for you international fans. We're gonna measure out 3 cups of flour. 1, 2, 3. We need 2 cups of sugar. You got exactly. We're gonna experiment, but you'd usually use 2 cups of normal sugar, but we're out of white table sugar, so we're gonna substitute it with a cup of brown sugar. Wow, soy sauce everywhere. False alarm. Quite stale. Finn just looked it up and how to get hard brown sugar soft again as you microwave it. 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder. 2 teaspoons of soda. 1 teaspoon of salt. So this is dry ingredients. Let's give it a stir. Then we pull out a different bowl. Oh, it doesn't need to be as big. 3/4 cup of oil. Now if your kitchen has carpet in it, don't want to do this. Because it'll make your carpet so much more flammable. Or you could just do it over the bowl.
Was that 3?
Yep.
That looked like 2. You sure it was 3?
Yep. 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Also, if you have a carpet in your kitchen, this will make it smell real bad. So 2 cups of water. And this is when the reaction's gonna start, so you gotta be quick. Just like crazy cake. So we're gonna smooth that out. Feel it in my nasty oven. Okay, so it's been around 35 minutes, so let's take it out and test it. Look, came up clean. Other spot came up clean. You gotta make do a couple of spots. How do we make icing? We just take some powdered sugar, some butter and milk, and then mix it all together. And we got icing. This is super even. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching.